Everyone, it's another day here at the tropical storm evacuation center. We're here. All of us currently, people are still displaced from tropical storm Ilmeda. They're still currently watching more storms, expected to go into the Gulf. More storms, more everything. But yeah, it's going to, and so yeah, it's going to be about 3 or 4 days now, whatever. So we're trying to get through this. I'm trying to get this. We're trying to get through this, or whatever. So definitely keep us in your prayers and thoughts, everyone. Tropical storm immediate still currently displaced, or whatever. Guys, thank you.